Bro, you already know we here, man. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon. Bruh. And as you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair a different color. Yeah, say bye-bye to the brown black type color, because I'm not gonna see you again. It's a new color, and today I'm gonna be dyeing it gold. I'm gonna be dyeing it a gold orange color. I have a lot of time on my hands due to this coronavirus pandemic, so I'm home and I just feel like dyeing my hair a different color. So yeah, I'm actually joking. I'm gonna be using this hair paint wax. It's temporary, so don't worry about it. First, if you guys are wondering, this is like my day 10 here. I'm gonna go wash it and I'm gonna come back and then we can start. All right, ready, set.
All right, so I just washed my hair and I used the curl enhancing smoothie as well as this gel. I forgot the name of it, but I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. This gel works really good for my hair, as you can see. Definition is on point, and I can get volume when I pick it out, and I haven't picked it out yet. First, I want to start by parting my hair in two so I can make the section smaller to apply the wax to my hair so it can be easier for me. And then I just put the wax in my hand and then start applying it to my hair. And I'm going to be applying this to moist hair, not completely wet or damp hair. Because I remember the last time I did this, I applied it to fully wet hair. It came out looking very moisturized, but it took way too long. I'm in the house, I'm quarantined right now, so I'm not trying to wait that long just for this to dry. So I'm going to apply it to my kind of dry hair, you know what I mean? Hopefully I get better results. And as you can see, my hair's a pretty bright color right now. I didn't dye my hair for a specific reason, because I know dye can dry out your hair. It could also cause your hair to become brittle and break. But if you do decide to dye your hair, just make sure to condition your hair. Use a deep conditioning mask before and after you dye your hair. You just gotta maintain it. It's just more work after you dye it. Well, as you can see, I'm pretty much done applying the wax to my whole head of hair. Right now, I'm just trying to get those spots that are kind of still dark, but I'm still trying to get that natural look where the roots are still darker than the ends. So it looks like I grew it out for a while. And after applying this wax, I still have to achieve maximum volume. As you know, I pick out my hair for my volume. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna start from the roots. Just make sure it's as big as possible. And I notice with my hair, the back is usually more defined than the front, because I don't really mess with the back of my hair. The front is what you usually see, and people tend to forget that people do see the back of your head. So you gotta make sure you moisturize every part. All right, I'm done doing my hairstyle. Now I'm gonna show my mom what I did. She's usually like surprised when I do stuff with my hair, so it's gonna be interesting to see her reaction.
Bruh. It's okay. It feels kind of weird. I can't believe this is permanent though. All right. Thanks, bye.
And I'm gonna show my sister. She's usually bothered by my presence. You're gonna see what I'm talking about in this video. So.
Is there anything different about me?
Why is your hair orange? You look
Dyed
like
it.
a
Okay.
Alright, and that's it for this video. This is my final results, and thank you for watching my video. So you already know we out here, and you already know we out here.